How can I turn a spreadsheet row into a business contact? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more daily tutorials. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. Then we'll be taking the details from that spreadsheet in order to create a contact in Odoo. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be Sheets to Odoo. And we're going to select our trigger by clicking in the trigger box. Our triggering app is going to be Google Sheets, which is down here in my recent apps section because I've used it recently. I could also type the name of the app into the search bar. My triggering event is going to be a new spreadsheet row. I have to make sure I'm connected to Google Sheets and also make sure that the spreadsheet that I want this workflow to monitor has already been shared with Workload. I'm going to be using the subscriber spreadsheet, so that's already in my shared list here. I'm going to select that spreadsheet from the drop-down menu. It's sheet 1. We're going to test that trigger, and you can see we have a new spreadsheet row. We have the name of a contact, their email address, their physical address, their company name, and their phone number. That's all the information that we have now coming from our trigger. You'll see in a second when we start adding the contact to Odoo, there are dozens of potential fields to fill out. We're keeping this relatively simple, so our workflow is just going to be uploading these 5 fields in order to create the contact in Odoo. And then later I can add more details about that contact through Odoo itself. So my action is going to be an Odoo ERP self-hosted. We are going to create contact. Make sure we're connected to Odoo. The database within Odoo that I want this workflow to update is my Workload database. And you can see as I scroll here how many different fields there are that I could potentially be adding information about. But we're going to scroll down and find just those basic fields to fill out. So we're going to start with name. So I'm going to click on the plus sign here. We're going to come to our drop-down menu and click on the name. We're going to come to the email address, click on the plus sign, come to the drop-down menu, find the email address, come to phone number, come to the drop-down menu, find the phone number, scroll down to where it says company name, find the company name, and I'm going to find where it says complete address and select that from our drop-down menu. And that's all the information we have from our trigger. So we'll scroll down to the bottom and click continue. And then we'll test the action. And we have a success. So we can click continue here. Then we can check out our contacts in Odoo. And you can see Hemroyal at Best Creams with his email address and phone number has been added to our contacts. So it looks like our workflow worked correctly. We can come back over to the Workload editor. We can check and make sure there's a green dot in each of our nodes. And then we can activate our workflow by clicking on the button here. And now every time a new row is added to that specific spreadsheet, the details will be taken out of the spreadsheet and then used to create a contact in Odoo. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that will automatically turn a spreadsheet row into a contact. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this video with any questions you have or suggestions to future videos. Shout out to Gregor for suggesting this idea. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.